Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our beginner series and in mechanical design and part design. Let's click our part. We can call this part joint and OK. Now we can select our YX plane, and on this plane we can sketch, for example, an elongated hole like this. Okay, we can fix this radio, let's say 10 millimeters. Okay, and we can fix this distance, let's say 20 millimeters. Selecting this point, and this point, we can click on our constraint icon and let's say symmetry and OK. Exit workbench, and now with our pad command, let's say 1.5 millimeters with mirror extend and OK. Now let's sketch on this surface. For example, we can sketch two different points. This could be our first point and this is our second point. And let's say selecting this point and this circle here, we can say concentricity, and selecting this point and this circle, let's say concentricity and OK. And now on this surface we can sketch a hole. So selecting this icon, let's say as diameter 8 millimeters and as extension up to next, and we can fix the position, let's say coincidence between this and that, and coincidence. OK. Exit workbench and OK. This is our hole. Now we can select our user pattern. As always, as you can see here, we've got as object selector our current solid, but we want to select our hole, and as position we can select our sketch, this sketch here, and OK. Now we can add our planes and we can add the material. So selecting our object, we can add, for example, oil blue and OK. And let's say as a name joint, save and OK. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. I'll see you next time. Ciao.